Hi, Gary here from Learn to Trade Binary Options. Today is Friday the 8th of July. It's first thing in the morning. Following on from my video I posted yesterday on OptionRobot, I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some money in first thing, and we're going to see, hopefully I can splice together two bits of footage so you can see my starting balance, and then once some trades have been executed I can come back and do a second part, which I'll add to the end of the video so you can see how I've got on. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to make my deposit. So I'm going to cut the video here and come back once my account has been fully set up. I'll see you in a second. Okay, and I'm back now. What I've done is I have opened an account. It gave me Tropical Trade, which you may have seen from the demo account yesterday. As you can see, it says try demo mode, so now I'm in real mode. I've put a £350 deposit in, and that's showing on my balance. So that's all sorted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the settings a little bit and have a little look, and then I'm going to let the auto trader do some trades probably, and I might try and do some manual trades as well, just to kind of see how they perform against each other. So I'm going to cut away now, and I'll do another part to this video which I'll add to the end here once some trades have been placed to see how we've got on. Okay, catch you all in a little while. Okay, I'm back. It's now 1:30 in the afternoon. I've done a few trades, had a little bit of lunch. As you can see, my £350 balance is now at £710.80. However, the word of warning to you, when I first started it off, it did 2 lots of 4 trades at a time, and they were all losers. So I stopped the auto trader and I checked the settings, because I'd left them all on the default. Now unfortunately the default seems to be a little bit gung-ho, and it's maybe why a few people have said they've not had a lot of luck with OptionRobot. There are definitely a few things you need to do to make sure that you don't mess up. So if I go into settings now, I'm going to show you how I set mine up. Okay, I'm here on the settings page now. I just want to show you how I set up the software. When you first go in, you're set to 2 maximum simultaneous trades. £5, dollars or euros as your starting amount. All your currencies will be ticked. All of these will be ticked. And unfortunately this is the problem, this area here. I've set myself up with £10 trades, sorry, £10 trades. And also maximum simultaneous trades of 4. That's because I want to get it moving a little bit and see how it performed. But if you were starting out, you could keep it at 2, keep that at 5, so that's not a problem. Currency pairs, I'd leave them all on at the moment. The way the markets are going with the Brexit stuff and that, like that, there's good trading opportunities of all of those pairs. Expiry, I'd leave it 60 seconds. Method, I'd leave it classic. The martingale and Fibonacci methods are something that have been adopted from online gambling. Specifically roulette. Now martingale doubles up your loss with the following trade to hopefully get you a win, and Fibonacci does something also quite similar. Unfortunately I don't find these particularly effective unless you've got a really big balance, because if you're doubling up all the time and you have a bad run, you're not losing £5 a £5 a trade or $5 a trade. All of a sudden that starts jumping up to 10, 25, 50, 100, and unless you've got a big balance, a bad run of luck could wipe you out. Also with the indicators, I would only ever have trend indicators on. All of these are perfectly good indicators for trading, but they're definitely not good for short-term expiry times, and the maximum here is only 5 minutes. So stick to trends, switch all these ones off. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and just do a little summary of my best settings, and what advice I would give any new starters. And here we are now with my trading tips for OptionRobot. Make sure you turn off all indicators apart from trends. The other ones are not designed for short-term trades. Keep expiry times at 60 seconds or 2 minutes maximum. I wouldn't go any higher than that because you're looking for short, punchy trades. It's designed to work that way. Do not enable martingale or Fibonacci, especially if you have a small balance, because if you get a bad run of luck, the way that it builds upon each trade, you will lose your balance, you lose your entire balance very quickly on a bad run. Whereas if you keep it on classic, you'd only if you do happen to have a losing run, for example, if you're on £5 or $5 trades, you might lose 20, 25 pounds or dollars before your luck kind of turns. Unfortunately, with martingale and Fibonacci, that could be the difference between, you know, having a balance and having nothing left. So make sure you leave it on classic. Do not use martingale or Fibonacci. Maximum simultaneous trades, I would say, is 4. Any more than that and you're going to struggle to keep track. If you're starting with a low balance, very importantly, stick to the minimum trades of £5 or dollars, just so that you've got, you know, a good chance to build up your balance. If you stick that on, I don't know, $100 trades, you get wiped out very quickly. So they're my top trading tips for OptionRobot. I'll do a long-term test and do another video at some point later on, but you know, I think that's pretty good. In a morning's work, I've gone from £350 to £710. So just over double my money. I'm going to leave this video here. Please give me a hit up on Skype.